Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Dylan. Today I'm going to be doing a very special video today. I'm going to be actually doing my first haul for this channel. This haul actually contains all Korean beauty products. And honestly, I've only tried a couple of Korean beauty products beforehand before I ordered from YesStyle. And it was just some of the products that they would sell at Sephora. But this time, it's like YesStyle. They have so much options for Korean beauty. Like, they have tons of options. And I want to say thank you to Elizabeth from YesStyle for letting me have this, shopping spree, picking the items that I want and whatnot. By no means this video is sponsored at all, or I had to do a video on this. I myself want to do a video on this to show you guys what I got. And I actually do have a code with YesStyle, and it is Dylan10 off, $49 and up. And it expires on March 3rd, I believe, so you guys still have some time to use the code. Also, YesStyle always has sales, so with that extra 10% off, it's like, an extra deal, right? I will have links for you guys at the bottom so that you guys could check out. This haul will contain, I want to say, about 2 orders worths, meaning one order was placed at the end of December and one was placed at the end of January. So it's kind of compiled up, so it's pretty huge. I have a box of the makeup right over here, and I also have some 2 clothing items as well to show you guys. And before I continue, hello, what are you guys doing? Please subscribe to my channel. Please subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos like this, and don't forget to like the video and comment down below and click that notification bell to be notified whenever I post a new video. Let's get started. First items on the list would be the Pony Effect palettes. Now, if you don't know who Pony is by now, then you must be sleeping under a rock, because I feel like everyone and their mama knows who Pony is. But yeah, she does have a cosmetics line for quite a year or two now, a couple years now. And there's these 2 palettes right over here. And I'm going to show you the Shimmer Master palette first. Each Pony Effect palette comes with like a sheet with all the names and such, and then you get the colors. And so look how beautiful this looks. These are all shimmer shades, very trendy. The one duochrome shade right over there. These are actually really pigmented, and what I like about them also is that they're really smooth. And I actually have this shade at the inner corner and brow bone right now. I don't know if you guys can tell, but yeah, I use this shade today. Only downside to this palette would honestly be this shade. This shade is the least pigmented of them all, because I feel like I would have to get a bunch of swatches in general to get the color that you want, but it's still not the strongest. But other than that, every other color in the palette is really nice, especially the darker colors, like especially I want to say this one right over here, and then these 2 right over here, super pigmented. And then we have the Master palette, which is honestly my favorite of the 2. Look at that. These are so gorgeous. Like, my favorite, I use the green in my crease today for the cut crease. The quality is so good. Like, I didn't expect the quality. I mean, I knew, but like just seeing the shades in person and just playing with them, Pony is truly up there, doing so good in the cosmetics game. Like, come on. Gorgeous shades. I got 2 of the Clio Mad Matte lipsticks. These are super creamy. They're super comfortable. I actually haven't really tried on my lips yet. Some of the products in my haul I haven't tried yet, but I've tried the majority of the products. But I can already tell that these are super creamy and with amazing pigment. And this shade is number 5, which is like a plumish mauve color, I want to say. And we also have 6, which is Sensual Pepper. This one is Russet Rose, by the way. And then this is Sensual Pepper, which is like this terracotta color. So beautiful. Perfect for this season. More perfect for fall, but it's just, there's honestly no rules to makeup. I also picked up the Puzzle Piece shadows from Holika, and I got them in these 2 bluish and greenish looking shades, like the teal and whatnot. This is JBL01 and this is JGR01, and they're really smooth. I actually haven't tried them on my eyes yet, but from what I can tell, they're really smooth, and the pigment is pretty good. We have these BIA glitters. Something about Korean beauty glitters, they do their glitters so uniquely, if that's even a word. It's really unique. It's like metallized. It's very almost foiled in a way, very metallic. Not like the normal typical glitter, cosmetic grade glitter that we know, but they're so good, amazing. They're really affordable too as well. And this is the shade number 2. This is in the shade number 5. This is the shade number 15, and this is the shade number 14. And some of the names of these products though, like there's one called Spicy Taste and Gochujang. Hilarious. In my opinion and from experience of using glitters in general, always use a glitter adhesive or eyelash glue or some sort of sticky base glitter glue to make sure that the glitter's on and that there's no fallout within the glitters. Now on to the brand that I got the most products from, 3CE, 3 Concept YesStyle Nanda. Now everyone and their mama knows this brand. You've seen it everywhere. A bunch of the YouTubers that do K-beauty use it. It's very well known, very aesthetic. Like all their campaigns and whatnot, they're just they remind me of like MAC, like Korean, the Korean version of MAC, or like Makeup Forever. What they offer is very pigment, very bold colors, more bold than the usual traditional Korean beauty makeup. Starting off, I'm gonna show one of the most pigmented yellow eyeshadows I've ever come across, which is Yolk from 3CE. Are you kidding me? Like honestly, from what I've noticed, a lot of brands, they don't know how to make a yellow eyeshadow. Even Makeup Forever, the pigment, it's just, I think that's one of the hardest shadows to make from what I can tell. The closest shadow that I could tell that makes a really good yellow is ColourPop in their Yes Please palette. But other than that, this is one of the best eyeshadows that I've ever come across in terms of the yellow color, because it's usually really patchy, it doesn't show up, you kind of have to blend more and more. With this one, you don't have to pack as much. It's like 1 or 2 layers and that's it, or even a little bit more, however you want the pigment to show. And I love it. It's so good. I have it on my eyes right now. I was honestly not joking when I went a little ham for the shopping spree. So I got 3 of the 3CE multi-eye color palettes for the Mood Recipe collection, and the whole aesthetic of this collection is just so beautiful, stunning. The models they use are beautiful. So like, it's just the campaign of it makes it so appealing that made me want to try out these shadows and also the swatches. For Smoother, it's an all matte palette. I knew that 3CE's shadows are going to be really pigmented from looking at online, but just seeing them in person really shows how the quality is with 3CE shadows. They're not joking, okay, when it comes to their shadows. Insanely pigmented, and they're so smooth. With Overtake, we have sort of rosy rose gold shades, which gives me Urban Decay Naked 3 vibes. But this honestly thinks this is better than the Naked 3 because the quality is better. So no tea, no shade. And for this one, you get some matte shades, you get some more of the satin shades, not as much matte shades as the other one, which is the all matte one. For Overtake, we also have these pressed sort of like foiled shadows, borderline glitter almost. So good, so beautiful. For Plot Twist, more of like the same kind of layout as Overtake, which we have some of the more satiny shadows, a little bit of glitter, and then some foiled metallic shadows in this one. And this is going to be more warmer, a little bit more on the warm, neutral to warm, borderline warm side. I do see more neutral in this one, but they're so good as well. I am running out of words to describe how good 3CE shadows are. They're no joke. They're stunning. I got a ton of the Mood Recipe lipsticks, not all of them, but I got a ton of them. And with the formula of these ones, they're very pigmented, but they apply like a normal matte lipstick, but it's very close to almost on like the draggy side of lipsticks, which is not like a huge problem for me. I mean, it gives a little bit of a tug, but other than that, for those who don't like lipsticks that kind of drag a little bit, these might not be for you. But other than that, they're really amazing quality. 219, which is the Brilliant shade, which is actually the shade I'm wearing right now, top with an Anastasia Kristen lip gloss. But with this one, it's like a nude color. It gives you, this whole Mood Recipe collection gives you very almost warm tone vibes, which is very popular. I have 114, 115, 116, 222, and 220. Now, with the shape of these bullets, they're traditional shaped, but it is more on the tinier side, so you can kind of get into the crevices a little bit more than usual. It's like in between a smaller lipstick that has more of a smaller bullet versus the traditional lipstick size. Now more onto the miscellaneous sort of items and clothing wise that I got from YesStyle. So I got this headband, and do you guys recognize why I got this headband? Just if you know me, do you know why I got this headband? Do you know why? So yes, I did get it because my friend had it. She bought it from YesStyle, and it was because Taehyung, Kim Taehyung V from BTS, he wore it during one of the Bon Voyage episodes for season 2 when he was in Hawaii. He was washing his face, looking all cute and whatnot. He wore this to keep his hair out of the way. He looked so cute. Anyways, I won't look as cute as him, obviously, but I'm gonna put it on for you guys so you can see what it looks like. Use it to pull your hair back. It comes in a bunch of different colors, but I wanted the pink because I wanted to, you know, look how cute it is. I wanted to get this. I wanted to get the exact color that Taehyung had on. Like, look at how cute it looks. Look at the bow. Do I look cute? No, seriously, do I look cute? I could never. But you know, I still look cute though. Pretty cute. I'm not gonna lie, I look pretty cute. Also, I got a VT toothbrush, and obviously I got this because, you know why I got this.
완전 신기. 너무 멋있어. 우와. 한방이다, 한방. 양치한다.
So, of course, my army trash decides to get another BTS related product. VT is the brand that BTS endorses for their cosmetics line with cushion foundations and also toothbrushes. And this is not the one that they promoted, the one with their name on it, but this is just, it's pretty much the same thing, I believe. I'm pretty sure it's the same thing. It's just different design. It doesn't have their name and different color and whatnot because it comes in a couple colors and it's not white. This toothbrush is like really good. I'm kind of shook when I tried it last night because it's huge. Like, I thought this was gonna be way too huge, but no, but honestly it's like the perfect size because it gets into every crevice of your teeth and whatnot. Like, it covers everywhere, it covers every border and whatnot, every single like nook and cranny, and it's very comfortable. Like, when you get new toothbrushes, I don't know about you, but it's very uncomfortable to brush your teeth the first time around with, you know, a traditional toothbrush because it's still getting used to, it's still trying to soften up, it's still pretty new. But for this one, it was automatically soft and comfortable when I started using this one, and it's like, it's really good quality too, and it's pretty affordable too. Like, it's pretty cheap. The only con I have to say about this toothbrush is that when I got it, when I was brushing my teeth, right off the bat, I thought I had a hair in my mouth, but it wasn't. It was just one of the bristles. I'm like, that should not happen. That should not happen with a toothbrush, okay? But other than that, it's still a really good toothbrush. I don't know why, but I don't think I would use this all the time. Maybe sometimes. I don't know why. I kind of want to keep it. Weird. I'm weird. Anyways, this is the one that Hobie brushed his teeth and he looked all cute and what. Hobie. He did a video on Twitter at one point promoting it, and he was being so adorable brushing his teeth, and when I was like, wow, I want to try it too. BTS, like, take my money. And with every order they give you a face mask, and depending on how bigger the order is, they give you another skincare set. This one is from Skin Food. It's the blueberry one. I also got the bird's nest one. Gongjin. The History of Woo Gongjin Hyang Su special gift set. Balancer, a emulsion, and I believe this is a moisturizer. I don't know, but I don't know what I'm going to do with these skincare products, obviously, because I'm already seeing a esthetician and I already have my own skincare products. Now, in terms of clothing, I got a leather jacket. This is my first leather jacket ever owned. It's pretty nice. It's a faux leather jacket, obviously. And the only con I would have to say about this jacket is that I think, so I like looked at Asian sizing and whatnot. I was kind of comparing it with the US size chart. And I should have done 2 sizes bigger instead of just a size bigger than usual with my jackets or clothing in general. When I got it, when I tried it on, it was kind of tight. Borderline tight, like I could still wear it and whatnot, but it's not too bad. Faux leather, obviously. It looks like this in the back. You get there's like a pocket down here, and then I think another pocket down here as well. Kind of folds up like that, and also comes with zippers right over here. And honestly, with YesStyle, the clothes are pretty affordable as well, because it is, you know, from Asia, and they're usually more on the affordable side. But you can, there's so much clothing options on YesStyle that you definitely find something that you like. Last item I got is a pair of joggers. Super really simple but really cute on. I should have ordered another size, like 2 sizes larger, because it's kind of tight but they still fit in a way. They're still doable, you know. Really cute on. So those are all my items that I got from YesStyle, and again, all the links of the products will be in the description below. And again, thank you so much, Elizabeth and YesStyle, believing in me to keep going with YouTube and whatnot. And yeah, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, like I said a billion times. Comment, get notifications. Yeah, I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. I had fun making it, had fun swatching for you guys. Don't forget to follow my social medias down below as well, okay? And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.